Hello there, welcome to the Green Technology video lectures. In this video lecture, we will try to see a logical approach for carbon reduction. In previous video lectures also we have discussed about the different approaches for the how we can reduce the carbon at global level. In this case, a logical approach for carbon reduction, worldwide more forest, less deforestation. So in this case, this logical approach, they are going to be talking about the different types of the forest and how we can go for the less deforestation. So there we can see what is the present status of the world. As we know that the world does not have enough sinks. Forest, what is the carbon sinks here? So the carbon sinks are nothing but where they can absorb the carbon dioxide and they are going to be converted into the required materials. So in this case, the forest, trees, ocean, freshwater bodies, wetlands. These are all going to be considered as a carbon sinks. On overall worldwide basis, to take care of the present day emissions, otherwise the carbon dioxide buildup in the atmosphere would not be occurring so much. So the present status of the world, there is no enough number of the carbon sinks. So here we can see the 15 countries with the highest forest loss from 2000 to 2012. There the Russia is at the topmost position and Brazil also occupying the same. That means when it comes to the gross forest loss is going to be the Russia is the first one, and the net forest loss is going to be the Brazil is the second, and third one is the Canada and Indonesia. So because of the human innovations to the forest for doing the cultivation and some other kind of the resources, the people are going to be destroying the forest lands. At the same time, in summer times, they also subjected to the fire. Because of this wildfire, it is going to be completely burning out the existed lands. So there we can countries with the greatest primary forest loss in 2018. The first comes to the Brazil. Because here there is going to be a lot of wildfire is going to be occurring. The Amazon and other kind of forests are going to be fire out. So they are not going to be enough forest lands are going to be there. So there we can see the Brazil, Indonesia, Colombia. So these are the lands, they are going to be in hectares, they lost the forest. And the first and prevention deforestation. Is it really possible? The first, protect the sinks. Already existed. The first and preventive deforestation is this. The first step is that we need to protect the existed sinks. So these existed sinks already we talked about. There is a forest, wetlands, soils, fresh bodies of water, and all these things must be protected. At the same, most sinks are very large and slowly moving. Human influence on them is said to be briefly a minimal. So the first target is that we need to prevent the deforestation, and that is going to be existed sinks should not be affected. Then the forest need our greatest protection. The forest need years to mature. As we know that when you plant a tree, it takes enough time to mature to grow to the full grown tree. So in this process, what will happen? They are going to be agriculture purpose, they are going to be chopping down. For mining purpose also they are going to be chopping down. And sometimes they are going to be burning the wood also, the CO2 is emitting into the atmosphere. The second point, thus the deforestation is the first thing we have to stop by. Two approaches are recommended. In this process, we are going to be recommending the two, the pay for protecting. In this case, what will happen? If a group of the people we are going to be trying and we are nominating them as for the responsibility to protect them. So for that, we need to pay. At the same time, we need to encourage the people to go for deforestation and they have to plant the number of trees and then we have to pay for that. The second point is that take the help of 40 million tribals in India to protect the forest since they have depend on forest for their livelihood. In this case, the 40 million tribals are there in India, so they are still staying in the jungle so that we can take the help from them and we are going to be providing the livelihood for that and to protect the forest. So then how? The forests are noted to increase in India. In this case, what will happen? It is one of the important aspect was identified. The forest land is going to be started to grow. So in this case, at the rate of 1.1 million hectares per year. This is maybe because of the state governments and the the welfare society people, they are going to be planting the trees at various levels and at various the lands, so that they are started to grow on this part. Outstock of stored carbon in the woods said to have increased 9 to 10 gigatons according to the data available 2005. So how we can take the help from the tribals? We should remember that the planting the trees and forest as well as protecting the forest from deforestation is an ongoing and never ending process. We can never have enough trees. So how we can take it for this? To achieve this, the local villages, the vanvasis or adivasis have to be made the owner of the forest, they guard it. In this case, we are giving the full rights to those tribal people or the local people to protect and to plantation, and the different types of the plantations they are going to be using for that purpose. The government have to pay for kind of services. An example in this case, we can see the benefit according to the tribal community is given in Shahapur, Thane District, Maharashtra. 1,700 hectares of forest land uncovered over the years was beautifully reforested after the local tribal people were giving a stake in its development. That means the government has given the full rights to those people and to plant around 1,700 hectares of land, so that they are going to get the full rights. Second point, a joint forest management committee entitled them to benefit from sale of producers such as the gum, dried leaves, flowers bamboo and mahalo oil. So these are things are coming from the forest with the different trees. So the joint forest management is going to be planting along with these tribal leaders, and they are going to be getting these kind of the products, and they can sell in the market, open market on their own way. The villagers also entitled 50% of the income earned by the forest department from the auction of the timber. This is the another process where we are making them, the villagers are going to be the stakeholders, and so that they are going to be getting the 50% of income if once the tree has grown to the certain stage. So these are going to be, we can reduce the deforestation before going to the mature. The second point, but this is not always. The tribal land grants were made, perhaps they are examples of the poverty and environmental degradation going hand in hand. So sometimes the deforestation is accelerating because of the few reasons that we are explaining here. By inspiring this one, so Javid Payang, the man who planted the entire forest by himself, for him it has taken 30 years of life to plant that converted the iceland into a forest. So what happened? So 70 years, that means Majuli has shrunk over the past 70 years by more than half. So then in 1980s, the government has Assam Forest Division of Galgat district began to reforestation around 200 hectares. But unfortunately, that was stopped 1983. But this person, Javid, has taken on single-handedly and continued to plantation of the trees around 30 years. At the initial stage, he started to planting the bamboo trees, and slowly they started to planting the different type of the species. So Molai Kathoni forest, a man-made forest in this case, the same person, in this case what will happen? The Mulai Reserve is a forest of the Majuli Island in the Brahmaputra River. So in this case, 1,000 hectares and is under continuous threat due to the extensive soil erosion on its bank. Because as we know that, when the trees more is there, then erosion is going to be the less. So then what will happen? So out of 1,360 acres, and that means 550 acres of the forest, and the area can be compared with the 550. That means he was planted the number of trees and converted into a forest and reduced the soil erosion. What is the main outcome? What is the outset from this discussion? So in this green technology class, we have discussed about how to protect the carbon sinks. The carbon sinks are nothing but here the forest, oceans, wetlands, freshwater bodies, and where there the carbon dioxide is going to be absorbed. Then what is the present status of the world that we have seen? There is no enough carbon sinks are available in the present society. That's we need to improve it. The countries with the greatest primary forest loss we have seen, in this case, Brazil and Russia is at the topmost position. Because of the wildfire is the biggest thing. And the first and the prevent deforestation, the tribal help it is required, because they are going to be the owners of that jungle, and they are going to be making the stakeholders, so that whatever the profit are coming from that jungle, they are going to be. The man who planted entire forest by himself, Javed, we have discussed. Thank you. So for more updates, follow my channel.